Good morning children, this is Martin Prasad. Today I am going to explain about the first chapter in social studies, our earth. Okay. Before starting the lesson, we should know the meaning of the earth. We should know the meaning of the earth. In Greek language, the earth is derived from the word earth. In the Greek language, the earth from the Greek language, the word the earth is derived from the word earth. Earth means earth means the ground, dry land and soil. These are the different types of meanings in the Greek language of the earth. Earth is the word which is derived from the Greek language. In the Greek language, earth means ground, the dry land and the soil. Okay. In our Indian languages, the earth is derived, the word of the earth derived in Sanskrit. In our Indian language, our earth is derived as in Sanskrit, the earth is called as Bhumi. Our earth is having different types of names in our Indian language: Sanskrit, Bhumi, Avani, Dharani and Prithvi. These are the names of the earth in Indian language. In the language is Sanskrit. In Sanskrit language, the meaning of the earth is Bhumi, Avani, Dharani and Prithvi. These are the meanings of our earth in Indian languages. Okay. Now, first of all, before entering into our lesson, we should know the location of our earth. We should know the location of our earth. Where is our earth is located? Where is our earth is located? Our earth is located in the solar system. Earth is located in solar system. Then, where is this solar system is located? Where is this solar system is located? The solar system is in Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy. What is meant by galaxy? Galaxy means a group of stars is called galaxy. Our solar system is located in Milky Way galaxy. Where is this Milky Way galaxy is located? This Milky Way galaxy is located in space. Milky Way galaxy is located in space. If you see, there are so many types of galaxies. Millions of galaxies are located in space. Among these millions of galaxies, the Milky Way is the one of the galaxy which is located in the space. In this Milky Way galaxy, there are so many stars are there. Among those stars, our solar system. Solar system means the star family. The star family, the sun family. Solar system means sun and its planets family is located in the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar family, our solar system, our sun family is located. Among this sun family, our earth is located. That is the location of earth, which is located in the solar system. Okay. How many planets are located in the solar system. Coming to solar system, our Earth is located in solar system. Now, coming to solar system, how many planets? How many planets are located in the solar system? The first one is Mercury. Mercury. Second one is Venus. Third one is Earth. Fourth one is Mars. Fifth one is Jupiter. And sixth one is Saturn. Seventh one is Uranus. Next one is Neptune. How many planets are located in the solar system? There are 8 planets are located in the solar system. Now, coming to our Earth. Earth is the third largest planet in this solar system. Earth is the third largest planet in the solar system. Then, among these planets, which is the smallest planet? Mercury is the smallest planet, and Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun. The nearest planet to the Sun is Mercury. Now, the farthest planet to the Sun is Neptune. The nearest planet to the Sun is Mercury. The farthest planet to the Sun is Neptune. Then, what is the biggest planet of the solar system is? The Jupiter is among these 8 planets. The Jupiter is the biggest planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet. Among these, our Earth is the third largest planet. Okay. Now, coming to our Earth. Earth is the third largest planet which is located in the solar system. Earth is the only planet among these all planets which is having life. Earth is the only planet which is having life. Earth is the only planet which is having life. Life exists among these solar planets. Among these planets, the Earth is the only planet having life. Okay. Do you know the age of our Earth? Do you know the age of our Earth? The age of our Earth is around 4.5 billion years. How many years? The age of Earth is 4.5 billion years. It means, do you know the meaning of billion? 1 billion means 100 crores. 100 crores. You see the age of Earth. How old is the Earth? The age of the Earth is 450 crores years. 450 crores years. This is the age of Earth. Now, when we are discussing about the astronomical bodies or about the solar system, we may got raised some questions, a few questions which are very interesting to know about the Earth and the Sun. Which are very interesting questions we may get raised while we are discussing about the Earth or the astronomical bodies like the solar system, stars. Like this, while we are discussing about these stars, we may got raised some interesting questions to know what is the secret behind that, how the Earth is, different types of questions like this. How the Earth is rotates, or what is the, in which direction the earth is rotating, in which direction the earth is revolving around the sun, revolution, and the one more important feature of the earth is gravitational force. How can we not fall? How cannot we fall on the ground if the earth rotates? If the earth rotates continuously, we are listening from so many years ago, the earth is rotates around itself on its own axis. Then how can we fall down? Or how we cannot fall on the ground? Why, if it is rotates around continuously, why we cannot fall on the ground? Okay, that is because of gravitational force. Gravitation. These are the very important things which we can see in the earth. Okay. Now coming to the rotation. Rotation means, do you know about rotation of earth? Rotation of earth. In earlier classes we have learned about the rotation of earth. The earth rotates around itself from west to east. In the direction of west to east. From west to east. From west to east. Suppose if you see the directions, the top part is north and the bottom part is south, and the left to the north is west, and the right to the north is east. If you see the rotation of earth is always rotating around from west to east direction. From west to east direction. That is the rotation direction of earth. Now coming to the point, revolution. Revolution means when the earth rotating around itself, along with that the earth is revolving around the sun. When the earth rotating around itself, along with that it is revolving around the sun, that is called revolution. And some more interesting questions. How can the day and night are formed on the earth? How the day and nights are formed on the earth? How? Because of due to rotation of the earth. Due to the rotation of the earth, the day and night are formed on the earth. How the seasons are changed in the earth? How the seasons are changed on the earth? Because of revolution of earth around the sun, due to the revolution of earth, the seasons are formed. Different types of seasons are formed on the earth. In the months of April to June, we may got summer season due to the revolution of earth. These are the some interesting topics about earth. Now coming to the lesson. The earth is the only planet which is having life. The earth is the only planet which is having life. Life means here on the earth we are living. Where we are living? On the earth we are living. Here the life means human beings. Life means human beings, animals, so many millions of animals, plants, along with that so many millions of microorganisms are living. Microorganisms are living on the earth. Where we are living on the earth? Where we are living? On the earth we are living. Earth is the only planet that is having life. We are living along with the so many millions of animals, plants and microorganisms on this earth. Okay. In our day-to-day life, human beings are converting the are converting the human beings are converting the earth as the most suitable area for us, most suitable living place. Human beings are human beings changing the earth as the most suitable living place. While this changing, the human beings are affecting the other animals, plants and microorganisms. How the human beings are affecting the animals, plants and microorganisms? Okay. While we are converting the places that are suitable for us, we are destructing the forests, destroying the forests, lands, rivers, destructing rivers, and for our convenience, human beings are destroying or polluting the lands, polluting air, lands, and water. Due to this destruction, so many animals and plants, microorganisms are disappearing from the earth. Okay. At the starting age of earth is having so many types of resources that's why the earth is called as storehouse of resources. Earth is having so many types of resources on its surface or on its underlayers. But nowadays, human beings are using very rigorously and recklessly these resources, and due to exploitation of these resources, we are doing very harmful or harm to the other animals, other animals and plants, the microorganisms which they are living along with us. Okay. That's right. The earth is called as storehouse for the resources. Okay. In this class, we have discussed about our location of earth and where we are living. On the earth landmass we are living. In the next class, we will know about the formation of earth and the shape of the earth and how the day and nights are formed. These are the topics we will discuss in our next class. Thank you, children.